Hi, this is Michelle Courtois. I'm going to teach you how to generate colorways and knit. So I'm going to go up here to my toolbar to the Colorways window. I'm going to select that. Let me make this a little bit larger for you to see. Okay, so this is my original colorway. I've got my yarn A, yarn B, yarn C, yarn D, and yarn E. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open my palette. So as you can see here on the right, these are all my colors. I'm going to add a colorway. By adding a colorway, I'm going to go to this icon here, add colorways. I'm going to get a new visual that pops up. Here I'm going to make my thumbnail just a little bit bigger. And I'm going to make my chips just a little bit larger too. Alright, so I'm going to leave my original alone and I'm going to start coloring my second colorway. So here I'm just going to simply drag and drop the chips onto the colors yarns that I'd like to change. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tap here on the white area and I'm going to hold down Control and hit plus so I can zoom in, and if I hold down the spacebar key I get the hand so I can drag and move things around. So here I'm going to change some of my colors. Let's see, I've got gray, I've got my crazy yarn here. So my crazy yarn doesn't have to be all multicolors. I'm just going to go in and I'm going to change them and make them all one color in this colorway, and then maybe I'll leave them crazy for the others. We'll see. Here I'm going to change that blue, maybe I'll make it gray, and then these crazy colors I'll make them maybe shades of blues and greens, maybe some cool colors. How about this guy? And maybe we'll go here. Okay, so you can see I'm starting to build multi-colors. I'm going to add another colorway and I'm just going to drag some of these colors on and I'm going to create different combinations. This is a little crazy looking, but here I'm going to kind of create a more heathered effect with that crazy yarn. And this crazy yarn, why don't I make it different shades of pink? Why not? And maybe I'll add a little bit of this ivory color in here and maybe a gray. So if I zoom in, you're going to see how the crazy yarn becomes more dimensional, as in here where I went in and made it solid. And then when you're done creating your colorways, you're going to say OK. And that's how you color your yarns and your colorways in Knit.